fidget toys. There's dumplings, there's squishies. I can't believe that I'm at Mrs. Ben's store. Oh, they have the cookies, the squishies. Oh, I don't want to cut out the squishies. I have one of these in the hotel. There's so many squishies. I'm gonna get like the whole entire thing. Wait, you can also veggie tray too. Pop it. There's some things over there, but they're not ours. Ooh, so satisfying. And then you're gonna have dumplings. They're so cross.
Squishy paradise.
Oh. I want a capybara. Hey friends, I'm at this store that they have a lot of cool fidgets, squishies, especially dumplings type of squishies, like this whole wall. Wait, these ones are so cool. Wait, no. I want this one. It's cookie. What are these things? Oh, these ones are gummy bears. Wait, these ones are mini capybaras. Banana. Wait, can I get a basket? Can I get a basket? Yes. And oopsies, my finger cuts. Look friends, here, these axolotl squishies. There's these, wait, I had one of these. I had one of those ones. But these ones are animals. They're so cool. Those ones. Oh, there's more capybaras. And panda squishies. And there's these dumplings, and then there's some more dumplings. So I found these dumplings, they're right here. Look, see, there's dumplings. There's this ice cream. Ooh, I love it. What's this? Galaxy Squishy Stretch Ball. Ooh, I like it. Let me get it. Oh yeah. Look friends, these ones are capybaras. They are unicorns too. Ooh, I love squishies. And this one's from Mrs. Ben's toy store. Which color should I get? This one or this one? I think this one. Wow. Like the key. I want to get it, Taba. Get it. Okay, and there's also a tablet. Wait, no. I need to have a squishy. I already have this one. This one's the only type of squishy that I'm gonna get because I have a lot at the house. This yellow gummy bear because I don't have a yellow gummy bear. I want to get this orange gummy bear. It's sparkles. And what else? This one.
I
like Mrs. Bench because she does fidget trading, and I like her squishies, especially I'm here at her store. Oh, I want to get like one of these ones. No, I'm actually not gonna get one because I already have one. So yeah. super. This one. Hi, Mrs. Bench. I had a lot of fun in your store, and I love your things that you had. I got a lot of things from your store. Look, and my favorite was the mini dumplings. Look, this dumpling was my favorite, and everything else is also my favorite. I loved your store. I want to come back to your store another time. I hope I get to fidget trade with you. Bye. Look, friends, I'm gonna show you my squishies that I got, or my things that I got from Fidgets. So the first one that I want to show you, and which is I already opened it, but I want you guys to see it. But this one's so special for me. I got the mini dumpling. See? You see I got the mini dumpling, right? I opened it. I got the rare one. So I got and it was my first mini dumpling. That's so cool. It was my first mini dumpling. And I got the rare one. So cool. The next one that I want to open is my giant Galaxy Squishy Stretch Ball. Ooh, I like it. So let's open it. This has tape. I love squishies. Like, I'm obsessed with squishies. Ooh, here comes that. It's not really, it says that it's stretchy, but it's not really stretchy. I think it's stretchy, but like I don't want to really stretch it because I don't want it to break. So yeah, and I love this. It has like a different texture. Like, I don't know what texture, what kind of thing it's inside, but it has a different texture. Wow, super cool. Now let's go with this one. I have one like this, but this one's super cool too. It has fruits in it. This one's like a special tube. Like a special tube. Wow, this is so cool. There's a Starbucks tube. Did you know? This one's the fruit tube. Wait, I don't think there's vegetables. I think it's just fruits. Yes. Just fruits. Yeah. Just fruits. And good texture. Hey, this one's sticky. The other one wasn't sticky. Yeah, I'm telling you guys, it has a different texture. Whenever you get one, it has a different texture. Wow, they're super cool. Here you go, Daddy. Puppy. Here you go, your soap. I got a soap too. Oh, yes. It's crunchy. Super duper crunchy. I don't think there's toxin inside. I don't think so because it's crunchy. Wow, it's so good. More, but I'm just gonna open it later. And don't forget to click the subscribe and enjoy this video. So yeah, bye.